So happy to be here today to provide an update on our Phase 1 park construction. Behind me is the western edge of the garden club where we're putting in butterfly-friendly landscaping to help beautify that edge of the garden club. And then once we're complete early to mid next week, these parking spaces along Van Wezel Way will reopen. And these spaces are a great way if you're coming to launch your canoe, kayak, or paddleboard at our freshly opened paddle launch. This is a great place to park, unload your gear, and then go find a permanent parking space as you go out and enjoy that launch and enjoy the beautiful weather we're having right now. Quick update on the Mangrove Bayou Bridge. As many of you know, we were able to reopen it on Thanksgiving Day. And we encourage you to come out and check out the beautiful nights of lights on the bridge and throughout parts of the Mangrove Walk that will be ongoing through early to mid-January. And then also stay tuned for additional enhancements coming to the bridge. We'll be adding some beautiful wood benches, etching the flora and fauna into the decking, and providing dark sky friendly lighting. Again, all of that will be coming in late January, early February. So I've got a quick update for you on the nest. You may remember we opened it a few weeks ago, but it's not complete. As you can see in the signage, we are still waiting on some seating pads that will go in the blue netting area and make it a comfortable place to hang out and enjoy the surrounding area. So stay tuned for that in the coming weeks. I'll also mention that also over my shoulder you can see that we've this week just completed our annual mangrove windowing, and so we've been able to reopen some beautiful views to the bay and the mangrove bayou. So we encourage you over the holidays to come down and check that out.